Let's learn classroom English and daily school phrases with Teacher Yu.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, everyone. How are you today?
We are fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. Let's start our class.
May I come in, please?
Yes, you may. Come in, please.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Stand up, please.
Yes, teacher.
Sit down, please.
Thank you.
Open your book, please. Listen carefully.
Yes, teacher.
Repeat after me.
Yes, teacher. May I go to the toilet, please?
Yes, you may.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Do you have a question?
May I ask a question, please?
Yes, please.
Yes, teacher. I don't understand.
That's okay. I'll explain again. Raise your hand if you know the answer.
Me, please.
Very good. Please answer.
The answer is book.
Excellent. Well done. Our lesson is finished. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, teacher. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Thank you for practicing with us.